Hello, everybody. Now I'm going to be teaching you about something else we do in math all the time. We stay organized. I should have heard you say. We stay organized with our counting. And the best way to do it, and the way they do it in kindergarten, first grade, second grade, you'll still see it in some of the other grades too. They use a 10 frame. This is your 10 frame. You know how to use it. We've used it many times. Parents, check this out. 10 frame is super important. It's a frame with 10 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you see how I counted that? I always count from the left to the right. Just like when I'm writing my name or writing any words or any sentences, left to right. I always start at the top and go to left to the right, and then I go back down to the next line and I go left to right. Let's say I wanted to put up the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and organized, nice and neat. I know exactly where they are. There's 4. Now let's say I wanted to do the number 6. I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to bring it down to this side on the left. I'm not going to put it down over here. So I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Groups of 5 are awesome. They're really easy to stay organized, and we count by 5s. Here's a complete 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, obviously, numbers go above 10, so what do? I got 10 already done. Fortunately, I got another 10 frame. So I can just put another 10 frame right down below it. Now I've got 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. I don't need to count it every time. It's a 10 frame. I know it's a 10 frame. I know it has 5 in each line. And I can see that it's full. So I don't need to count it each time. I can even count by 5s. 5, 10. Or I could just count by 10s. 10. It's full. It's a 10 frame. It's always going to have 10 if it's drawn correctly. Now let's say we needed to do the number 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. Blue or green doesn't really matter for this. So I've got 10, 11, 12, 13. Or I could say 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. If I wanted to do the number 17, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then I can also see that 10 plus 7 equals 17 just by counting my dots. That's the basic idea of a 10 frame. Now, you're going to give your family, if you're watching, you're going to give your family a thumbs up or a thumbs down if I'm doing the 10 frame correctly. All right, you ready? You can get these little dots off of here. All right. I'm going to do the number, let me count some guitars. How about that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 guitars. I'll do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did I do my 10 frame correctly? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Hopefully you're saying, that's not what you did. You just told us how to do a 10 frame, Mr. Dowd. That's not how you do a 10 frame. You're right. I'm sorry. I apologize. I will try again. 10 frame. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. 7. All right. Cool. I'm going to try one more. This time I'm going to do a teen number because a teen is a 10. Added to a few more ones. Here we go. How about, let me count more guitars. Let's see. Mr. Dowd's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. It's not a problem. I love music. It's good. It's okay. 15 guitars. including ukuleles and electric basses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. And I know because I have a whole 10 frame filled plus the top row of another 10 frame. I know because a whole 10 frame when it's filled up is 10 plus a whole top line filled up, that's 5. I know 10 plus 5 equals 15. And I can prove it by counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15. What I just did was explain my thinking. I told you what I was thinking about, how I figured it out, and how I know. That is important. Don't just do the numbers and say, I'm done. Do your work and then explain it. Prove it. How do you know? I don't know how you know unless you tell me. All right? So that's a 10 frame. In part 2, I'm going to show you how we can use the 10 frame and how we can draw the 10 frame so you can use it when you're doing your math. Come on, video.